Did you know Facebook now has an audience of more than 2.23 billion active users? That's more than a third of the world population. That means Facebook hit the jackpot. That's 2.23 billion people to profile and 2.23 billion people to target. And that's just what they do. Did you know there's over 70 million businesses using Facebook business pages worldwide? Those businesses can buy ads that target you based on behaviors, demographics, connections, interests, age ranges, languages, or even locations. 93% of marketers use Facebook advertising as a part of their marketing strategy. It all comes down to data. As the average adult spends 20 minutes per day on Facebook, there's no shortage of personal information being shared and traded globally. That's every day and every second. So let's play a little game. How well do you know Facebook? And how well does Facebook know you? We'll test your knowledge of Facebook privacy facts and myths to get you in the know. Myth or fact? Facebook uses your phone's mic to spy on you. This one's a myth. The truth is, Facebook does not use your phone's microphone to inform ads or to change what you see in your newsfeed. Myth or fact? Facebook can track what you buy, both online and offline. This one's true. Facebook's ad business depends on it knowing as much about your likes and dislikes as possible, and it gets some of its information from your web browsing. Facebook pixels can snoop on your web browsing habits even when you're not in the social app. Facebook also partners with payment providers and loyalty programs to help advertisers track what it calls offline conversations or in-store purchases. Myth or fact? Facebook reads your text and listens to your calls. This one's a myth. Sort of. Facebook's mobile app has a feature that lets you sync your texts and calls with Facebook Messenger. It's an opt-in feature, meaning you have to specifically give Facebook permission to do it. Myth or fact? Facebook tracks your location. This one's a fact. It's a big one. The feature is used for check-ins and advertising, but it can be turned on and off in your settings if you'd like. So in short, Facebook knows a lot. Your social events, your ad interests, your recent location, your contacts, your friends, your likes and dislikes, every photo you've posted, every video you've liked, and every time you've ever logged in. Your employer, your purchases, your birthday, even your face. The list goes on. Maybe this doesn't bother you, or maybe it makes you rethink every move you're making. Intrigued? Navigate to your Facebook ad preferences. That's where Facebook stores all of the information about your interests and previous activities. It's your personal insights page, and it might just give you some perspective on your social media use. Take a look into your interests. These are all of the pages that you've liked on Facebook in the past. Advertisers you've connected with. You might be surprised who's targeted you and how. Your personal information. Decide what information you want advertisers to see and get a sneak peek into how you have been categorized by Facebook. The accuracy varies. Your ad settings. Do you want advertisers to use your offline information? And finally, your ad topics. Tired of seeing certain topics on your feed? You can choose to hide these ads and improve your Facebook experience. Now you know what Facebook knows, But have you ever considered what your friends, coworkers, neighbors, or even what those other billions of Facebook users can find out about you? In recent years, we've watched as the threat of identity theft increased, the danger of cyberbullying grew, and the evolution of online dating changed the way we interact as humans. And with all these hot topics in mind, the issue of social media privacy has exploded. So let's take a look into how you can control your Facebook privacy settings. First things first, run a privacy checkup. This is the most basic way to get an idea of what and who you are sharing with. You'll quickly run through the settings for your posts, your profile information, and finally your apps and websites. The three main options for these categories are to share with the public, share with your friends, or mark as private so only you can see. These are overarching settings, but you can apply these settings per post as well. You can take other preventative measures within your settings, like requiring approval for tags and posts, or deciding to make your profile exempt from search engines. This can all be found in your privacy settings. Whether you want to hide your information from the world, or whether you're ready to share anything and everything, it's smart to be in the know about what you're sharing, when you're sharing, and who is watching. Take control of your social presence.